Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover logical operators in Java. In Java, we use logical operators to determine the logic between variables or values. This is logical OR operator. If any of the condition, either left hand side or right hand side of the logical OR operator is true, then the result will be true. Here the right hand side condition 6 is less than 7 is true, so the result will be true. This is logical AND operator. When both the condition left hand side and right hand side of the logical AND operator is true, then only the result is true. Here only the right hand side condition is true, so the result will be false. This is logical NOT operator. When we use logical NOT operator before true, then the result will be false, and when we use logical NOT operator before false, then the result will be true. Here we are using logical NOT operator before true, so the result will be false. Here we are using logical NOT operator before the condition 6 is greater than 7. The condition 6 is greater than 7 is false, but we are using logical NOT operator before it, so the result will be true. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.